Whether you're a hot sleeper or live in a warm climate, your bedding can make all the difference in your night of sleep. While you can always change your comforter for something lighter, upgrading your bed with cooling sheets is a small change that'll have a big impact. To find the best cooling sheets, we researched a variety of picks and tested over 30 styles in our Des Moines, Iowa testing lab. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 cooling sheets on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lanest Housing Silk Satin Sheets. For a breathable option that has a silky finish, the best cooling sheets are this set from Lanest Housing. The satin sheets are less expensive than other options and are offered in a variety of colors and sizes. When we tested these sheets, we didn't notice any loose threads or imperfections. We liked the soft and light feel, which remained the same after being washed. In terms of breathability, we placed a few drops of water on them and found that they spread quickly, meaning they have good moisture management. The sheets felt cool to touch as well, and we gave them a perfect score for breathability overall. We put small amounts of foundation, oil, and coffee on the sheets and found that they were not as stain resistant as we would have hoped. While there was just a slight coffee stain left, the foundation was not removed and the oil left a round circle on the sheet. Number 2. Bambure 100% Viscose from Bamboo Sheets. Bamboo is known to be cooling, but if you want to see for yourself, give these Bambure ones a try. We noted that the sheets were cool and soft. Plus, they had a silky smooth texture with a bit of shine that offered a high-end appearance. The thread count on this set is 1,800, which means it should be a bit warmer than other options. However, the sheets still felt cool and breathable, even after laying under them for a few minutes. While testing them at home, we confirmed they felt soft and lightweight over time as well. The sheets maintained their softness after the wash, and there were no visible signs of wear and tear. There was some slight shrinkage after washing, but even if they did shrink more, the stretchy elastic band at the corners of the fitted sheet would ensure it stayed on tight. Number 3. Feather and Stitch Softest 100% Cotton Sheets. If you're looking for a cooling percale set that's less expensive than other options, we recommend this option from Feather and Stitch. The set is offered in 16 colors and patterns, so you'll find an option that suits your style. While testing this set, we were impressed by the sheets' breathability and moisture wicking abilities. This was confirmed while testing the sheets at home, as we felt comfortable sleeping without the air conditioning on, even on warmer nights. The sheets also fit snugly onto our mattress and remained tucked even after tossing and turning. We were disappointed to find loose and entangled threads near the elastic corners. However, they retained their crisp texture even after we washed them. Compared to the other sheets we tested, the set seemed to be fairly stain resistant. The coffee and oil stains lifted almost completely, but the foundation stain remained. Number 4. Linenwalla's 100% Eucalyptus Tencel Bed Sheet. If you're stuck in a rut of ivory, white, or otherwise neutral colored bed sheets, you'll love the variety of color options Linenwalla's bed sheets come in. The Tencel Lyocell sheets are offered in a variety of set sizes as well as 24 colors, so you won't struggle to find the perfect shade for your home. The texture of the sheets is silky and feels cool to the touch. We noticed a few loose threads and one minor swag, but overall, we felt that they were a high-quality set. We hadn't used sheets made of this material prior, yet confirmed they now want more sets for their home. After washing, there were a few wrinkles, but they maintained their softness. The set includes a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. It's less expensive than other options as well, so you can potentially get a few sets for guest rooms as well. Number 5. Olive Plus Crate Luxury Series. Olive Plus Crate's cooling eucalyptus sheets were a hit in our lab, making them the best cooling sheets overall. During testing, the sheets felt soft and smooth to the touch, and the cooling sensation was evident even when just handling the sheets to make up the mattress. Plus, light was flowing through them, earning them a high score for breathability. These Olive Plus Crate sheets come in 8 different colors, so you'll be able to choose one that suits your bedroom best. We felt that the sheets were well constructed and stretched easily over the bed and pillows, even after the first wash where there was a bit of shrinking. Plus, there weren't any visibly loose threads or other wear and tear. Overall, the only complaint we had was that there was no tag on the fitted sheet to determine the top or bottom when making the bed. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.